Hello, beautiful ladies and gentlemen. This is Himnshu here, and today I'm going to edit this photo into this. So, without any further ado, let's dive.
You shouldn't say that.
It's a lot of bags in this bag. Backseat, it's a lot of hands on this map. Don't ask me, calling for a taxi. I said, bro, test me. Three wouldn't stand, it's a wrap. Three wouldn't stand, it's a wrap.
What?
Think I'm shooting blanks, don't know where my bullets went. Wrist is iced out, credit card is fully spent. I'm being honest, but I truly can. Cough it up, is that what you truly meant? Yeah, I'm bored of you, don't want any more of you. Use the same flow, I'm feeling green just like a do. I'm talking my shit right now. Done adoring you, gave allowance, you got chores to do. It's a lot of bags in this bag. Backseat, it's a lot of hands on this map. Don't ask me, calling for a taxi. I said, bro, test me. Knew you wouldn't stand, it's a wrap. It's a lot of bags in this bag. Backseat, it's a lot of hands on this map. Don't ask me, calling for a taxi. I said, bro, tax me. Knew you wouldn't stand, it's a wrap. It's a lot of bags in this bag. Backseat, it's a lot of hands